Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check your router manual and firmware for USB host and tethering support, because not all routers accept phones as modems. Once confirmed, connect your phone with a reliable USB cable to the router's USB host port. Make sure your phone's USB mode is set to tethering or modem mode in settings. On Android, this is typically USB tethering. This initial link is the only pathway for data, so secure the connection before proceeding. Once done connecting, log into the router admin page. You need to set the USB device as the WAN or internet source so the router can route traffic. Navigate to USB, internet, or WAN settings and choose USB tethering or PPP over USB. If your router requires an APN, enter your carrier details. Make sure DHCP is enabled for LAN and that the USB link is prioritized over other WANs. To finish, save your changes and reboot both the router and phone so configurations take effect. This often resolves negotiation issues. Then test connectivity from a laptop or phone on the LAN and confirm the router shows an active WAN IP. If speeds are slow or no connection appears, check the USB cable, toggle USB tethering on the phone, and enable USB debugging if necessary. Finally, update router firmware. These fixes address driver or compatibility problems that block the only working tethering path.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.